Hello! In this video I am going to do unboxing and installation of SONOFF Fan 03 Smart Wi-Fi switch. Inside the box we have a smart switch along with a RF remote and quick installation guide. Before we start the installation, turn off the main supply before opening the switchboard. If you are unsure about the connections, you may consult an electrician. Connect the fan and light with the smart switch as shown in the connection diagram. After the connection is complete, close the switchboard. Turn the main supply on. After the device is powered on, it will start beeping, which indicates that it is ready for pairing. Hold any button on the remote to complete pairing process. To connect it to Wi-Fi, press and hold the Wi-Fi pairing button on the remote or on the switch to start pairing. Open the app and select Quick Pairing.
Hey Google, turn off bedroom.
Thanks for watching.